every other thing go become your own. Cause I'm allowed power, you know they pay. Nobody power, you know they pay. Oh my Jesus power, now in the rain. Almighty power, we know they roll. Oh yeah, come to the Lord, only way they suffer. You want you, come to the Lord. Oh, you way they labor, he will bring back your joy. Jesus, you know go go, if you don't bless me, Chile Kabo. You want you, if you don't bless me, Chile Kabo. You want you, Ọlọ́run mi, Elédùmarè, Ọ̀gá ògo, you want you, Jesus.
Oh, my Father. Oh, what a good way to start the show.
Some of these songs, the one where we say we take ask God for something. If our children them or people children, then make I just man don't say our now because meanwhile, hey, don't be surprised. I figure children somewhere.
Who knows?
Shakara, I need water.
I go outside now.
I need water. Not be small worker. This I expect a lot to stop the song. Still continue. We won't finish the over. If I were to say I won't follow the spirit when they say myself, I'm supposed to sing the full album.
I been saying, go
you get everything I want to inside that song. That Jesus, you know, go if you know bless me. You know, say if you cannot come physical, let me say Jesus day here. You won't come out now, go do other things. Go land. You know, they say people, children, they do their papa like that. Their papa don't dress, now won't go walk. Jack and Mono too. That you know go if you don't.
Oh, welcome to the matter, my people. This is now Wazobia Television. My name is still the same name. I know yesterday, it never changed. I still the same name. Elenu. This now I the read that boss will get 4 drivers for steering, and all the drivers are complete here to give you one destination. Today is World Driver and Motor Day. Yes, check your calendar. Today's date 20 be World Driver and Boss or Motor Day.
Zoom.
It's a motorable day. Yes, we are celebrating World Driver and Motor Day today. But you don't say for I they ready, get what they do. I'm going to give you that laugh at last segment. More look one small video, more tutorial, and say more laugh before we enter story the way we want. But don't forget say if you want get story where you want send, give us more. We'll talk. We'll look at the way they look things here because the way they look things, so we they look things. We look things in an eye the red way.
Yeah,
we look it in the upside down manner. When you people read from the front, we read from the back. When you read
from the side, we read from the other side.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Today, as usual, I get Lucky Shide.
It don't jump
MC Shaggy. Shakara finally.
Yes.
Yes, they never change.
Today will be World Drivers Day. That make me want to tell on what's happen. You know, say normally when they drive for road, when you see person they drive anyhow, you go watch out for them. You know, say. At times, you go that day, you go meet your match. Like one guy, he did drive anyhow. He go one enter, go now call drive now say, okay, what did they drive, sir? And I say, na moto. Na moto, my bro. I weak. I don't feel talking.
I don't say the bad one now. When you meet all those drivers, they will no start speak English. You can't use one English word they talk to them. You go to say the custom. Driver just drive anyhow for that. You people don't be driving anyhow. What is wrong with all this individual? Individual. Individual. Call your family individual. Now somebody call our guy individual means somebody. That is the costume. Today we enter quickly the laugh out last segment. This one, a man will queue for a woman back. Then when you queue, we see what happened to them. And no, I don't want to say it. You people should look at it yourself. I talk it yourself. Yes. Look at it.
Don't read for it today.
I did serious. I want to see him. Yes, I want to see him. How can help me see this bros? I just they wonder why they stand for my back like that. Only for me to feel in Jolojolo for my bumbum. I know go green.
I talk and this thing go put me for a while.
So day, I know go green. You must bring out that your Jolojolo and we must carry that your Jolojolo, go police station, go arrest her. Bros, that way you talk on your own. Today,
follow you go station, maybe Jolojolo.
That's your Jolojolo. Go police station today.
So go far now, I go no. I don't agree. I go station, me stop. Me show my camera the thing safe as evidence.
Wait me down.
Go even upload that for YouTube. They go see you today. Come on, it's illegal.
You said lose your Jolojolo to the woman. Let her take it to the station. Not be you the one carry go police station. It's your Jolojolo.
See. You cannot just explain yourself. What? I'm here on my own. This guy is not working with me. This guy is working no department. He decided to ride like a Bugari.
All these Igbo women, they too get time to explain. This thing I think say happen for in those days when Mole they very rampant for Nigeria. Maybe say say Afela is and sing now 64 city 99 standing. Say the standing go tight. So one guy you're dead, guy you forget say na motor e dey. Everywhere don't stand. When the girl go feel sometimes get turn in the girl not talk correct back and slap. That Waza wake the guy up. That's what happen. You dey crazy. The guy just humble. Yeah. People call the bed, the girl no verse. The man is mad. That's why that thing stand. They call the
that good now.
The man is mad. That's why that thing stand.
They not answer what happen if you explain. That can't no fit talk.
Humble.
It's a freedom of you know say that thing no go school.
That thing they come out.
Is
no.
Hello. You are standing in front, behind the woman, and she's jamming you with. I want to know say the man is a man.
It's a natural thing.
It's a natural thing for things to be around.
Yes, it did come out.
Let me say that video. Let me say their own road self no good. Because if road good, know how we be saying on the jam.
Now trade they won't enter.
If you break now, you go front. When you go back, you go front.
But seriously, if the man a responsible man, as that is something standing for yours, cuckoo. Instead of going to press the man for your carrying thing.
Lucky child, I not agree with you on that one because no man is responsible for that area.
No. If your this is stand
no. I not agree with you for that.
So you go use them, then you go face problem.
As I talk, that's in the transformer will supply lights to that place.
The car lights went to that place.
That's the reason why you must push your waist go back instead of to push and go front.
So you push and go back, people will sit down and go because they say. All things are not being equal.
That even a turn man to disable. Because Okada, if you enter Okada like this with woman, you come down from the Okada. You know, say that thing go.
You know what? We'll go break. We'll continue this talk. We'll go break. See, but nothing go break now. See, if you stand for a person first without this, he go there.
If you not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.